The peaceful sounds of running water. God damn it, I gotta take a piss now. Somebody stole our pool, call 911. Nah, we got rid of it this year. Figured that the maintenance, upkeep, and everything else that goes along with it, electric bill, it was about time we got rid of it. The liner took a shit when we opened it up, and come to find out that the inside walls were rusted out pretty bad too. So instead of having a problem, we eliminated the problem. You know, when you have rusty inside walls of your swimming pool, that means buying a new pool, and fuck it, get the yard back. Our electric bill runs us anywhere between $350 to $400 and some odd a month during the summertime because of this pool. Air conditioner running. We changed out a lot of the appliances to energy efficient appliances, and this was the last thing to go. Well, this is the second to the last thing to go. The air conditioner and furnace will be the last thing to go. We're going to upgrade those to something that's a little bit more energy efficient. But yeah, so the yard's coming back together, and slowly but surely, the guys hired some guys to come out here yesterday and basically put the dirt down and put down the sod. They haven't finished yet, so I'm still waiting for them to come back because they ran out of sod. So waiting for them. And yeah, this was a fun process to tear down this pool. Me and my father did it over the course of a week, and just slowly take down a little bit at a time, because basically it's like watching two handicapped people, you know, try to do something around here. You know, he's in his 70s, and my back is not very good for doing shit like this anymore. So we just slowly took it down, got rid of it, and then slowly worked on the yard. The guys, we started removing the sand and stuff and really had no place to put it. And gravel we started putting in that corner over there, in the far corner. And it got to be just like too hot outside. Then it started raining, and then the sand got really wet and heavy, and it's like, fuck it, we'll just hire some guys to come out here and do it. So we had the guys come out here and clean out the remainder part of the sand and the gravel and lay down some black dirt and sod it. So I'm still waiting for him to come over here and finish the job. So anyways, the yard's coming back to life, and it's looking pretty good. Not too bad yet. It's supposed to be getting rain tonight, so I don't know if I should water this thing now and have it rain on it tonight and tomorrow, or just wait. But I don't know, we'll see. Let's get start playing with some guitars.